Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make yucca juice. It's a smoothie made out of yucca. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the yucca that I'm using. I'm not making a lot. I'm using cinnamon sticks, almond extract, imitation. I'm using sugar, lime zest, or just peel the lime skin. In this recipe I'm gonna use the lime skin. I'm gonna peel the lime and use the skin, just the green part, not the white part. Star anise and carnation milk. So in a pot of water, about 1 liter of water, we're gonna go ahead and add the cinnamon sticks, star anise, the lime zest, the lime skin, salt, and bring it to a boil. And while the water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the yucca. We're gonna remove the skin. I don't know if you know how to peel it. You're gonna peel it like, see, this is the way you're gonna make a line, and you're gonna go around. That's the best way to peel it. It's the easiest way to peel it. Follow the way it's shaped, and you peel it like that. So we're gonna go ahead and peel the skin. I've seen some people cook the yucca with the skin, and let me tell you, the skin is very like sticky. It's like it acts like it has like glue on it. Like, it's very sticky, so you have to peel it before you cook it. Unless you are used to, cooking it with the skin, then I guess do that also, and then just remove the skin. Might be easier, but it's just so sticky and gooey, and it has this glue on it, so I wouldn't do that personally. Once the water is boiled, we're gonna go ahead and add the yucca. I forgot to add the lime skin before the water was boiling, when I added the cinnamon stick and everything, so be sure to do that first. So I added my yucca, and I'm also gonna add the lime skin and let it cook. It took 30 minutes to cook, so you're gonna let the yucca cook very well. You're gonna let it get very soft. There's different types of yucca. Honestly, the texture is a little bit different. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard, sometimes it's really soft. It depends on your luck. Honestly, it's hard to tell. So cover it and let it cook very soft. And this is the yucca now. I'm just checking it, and it's obviously not ready yet. See, that's the type I got the hard one. I like this type one. If you're eating it with sauce and everything, it's good, but when you're making juice, if you're lucky, you get the soft one. It's the best to use. But yeah, so cover it back and let it cook. So it's about done. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it cool down. I'm gonna remove that little thing in the center. I don't know what you call it, but remove that part. So after you've removed that little thing in the middle, the center of the yucca, we're gonna go ahead and add it to your blender. So we're gonna have to do it portion by portion because yucca is very thick. It's gonna be hard to blend when you add all of it like that, so be careful. Make sure you're using a really good blender too. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar. I'm using 1/2 cup of sugar. If you like it sweeter, add more sugar. I'm using evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. The more milk you add, the milkier it will be, the tastier it will be. I'm gonna tell you, this drink is so addictive. It's addicting, you guys. You'll have it once and then you wanna have it again. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more. So I'm adding my ground nutmeg. I didn't have the whole nutmeg, that's why I'm using the pre-grounded stuff. And I'm also adding my cinnamon stick. So I added about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon stick. I'm sorry, cinnamon powder. And I'm using this essence of almond flavor. It's not the best. Honestly, if you have vanilla extract, use it instead. And make sure you use a teaspoon or half of a teaspoon, depending on how much you're making. So vanilla extract is better, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it away. And this drink has to be served cold. That's why I said make sure you let the yucca cool down. And if it's, put it in the fridge to make it cool down faster, honestly, because it has to be cold. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it away. And there's a twist. So my twist is mango. So I added a little bit of mango, fresh mango. If you don't have fresh mango, I guess frozen is just fine. So you guys, this is the final product. This is the yucca juice with a twist. So I added mango to it and it is bomb. It is so delicious. It's a drink you only have once in a while because you will get fat drinking that drink a lot. So do not have it more than once a month, honestly. This is it right there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This video is very quick. This recipe is very quick and easy, and it's a tasty, yummy drink. I hope you guys try it. Like I said, it's not the healthiest drink, so just try it, but don't drink it a lot. So as always, thank you for watching.